Hey everybody, it's Pat Wilkins with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Got a beautiful Sea Ray to show you today on brokerage. This is a 2021 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. Absolutely gorgeous boat, great colors, lots of upgraded features, including the Mercury 300 V8 Outboard. It's got about 230 hours on it. This boat is dry stack kept, so there's no bottom paint. Very clean upholstery. You see the stone interior, the gray snap-in sea deck, Sea Ray blue hull sides. It's got the 12-inch Simrad vessel view. It's also got your engine information on there, which is great. Everything in one spot. Show you the Sea Ray blue. Absolutely gorgeous boat with the white top side. Matches very nicely with the stone interior. This one does have the sport arch. Gives you the ability to tow from an elevated surface compared to this tow post. You can hook a tow line from up there and run it back to keep it elevated. This port side console is the head with interior upgrade. This boat has underwater lights. It has the Fusion stereo unit with the upgraded stereo package. I'll show you on here. 230 hours as of today. You've got your chart, your bottom reader. You can have engine information on there as well. You can do combos, all touchscreen, flush mounted. Beautiful display. Simrad has great colors. Along the dash, you've got your switches for all your lights and your pumps, as well as trim tabs. You've got electronic throttle and shift on this boat. Makes for very easy running, very smooth shifting. This is power assisted steering, so it has hydraulic fluid, and there's a power steering pump in there, which is very nice handling around the dock or towing people by tube or wakeboard. Beautiful stitching on the upholstery here. You've got storage underneath both of these. Very clean inside. You've got the bow boarding ladder as well as your anchor storage. Easy to get on and off the boat from the sandbar. You just put the bow up there, drop the anchor, hop on and off a lot easier. We've got index storage throughout the boat. Very clean. This boat does have a bow filler cushion option. So there's a piece of fiberglass that goes over that, and then you put a cushion on it, so it makes it one big sun pad. Great for lounging or having the kids hang out up there. Tons of seating in this boat. It is yacht certified, so as many life jackets as you have, that's how many people you can have on board. Cooler storage, starboard side. I believe this is where the mooring cover is, so you can cover everything on the boat. There's a cover for the bow area that snaps around with a pole in the middle to keep the rainwater out, as well as around the entire cockpit, so all the upholstery is covered. Very nice feature. So as I said, the sea deck is snap-in the cockpit, and then on the swim platform it is glued down, so it's nice seamless transition. But if you did want to take this up, it's easy to clean under it. On this starboard side, you've got a teak boarding step, non-skid right here, put a foot here, and then you're in the boat. If you keep it in the water or on the dock, it's easy to hop on and off. Great lounging here, aft facing seats, and then you can pull these up and create a a little knee pad for you at an angle, make it more comfortable. Beautiful V8, white Mercury V8 there. In addition to all the seating that you see already, you'll notice that you can adjust both of these backrests to kind of make it a communal area for everyone to hang out in. And then there is a cockpit table that puts in right there, and you can have a nice little area for cocktails or a charcuterie board, whatever snacks you want to have for the day. There's another big storage compartment right here. Right now I've got lines and fenders down there, but you can stow water skis, deflated tubes. Down in here we've got your battery switch. We got two switches, or excuse me, two batteries, 1, 2, and all. Gives you the option there. You've got your battery charger right here. You just put a drop cord, 120 volt extension cord, plug it right into the boat, keep the batteries charged for you. Guys, this boat is in great condition. Wonderful family-friendly boat. Still very fun to drive. SDX is a very popular model in our area here in North Carolina, but it does well in pretty much every application. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, feel free to give me a call on my cell. My number is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2021 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.